Will AI replace your job and how to prepare financially? Imagine this. You wake up tomorrow, log into work, and find out your role has been replaced by an algorithm. This isn't science fiction. It's already happening. Every day we see headlines like AI is replacing thousands of workers. And here's the truth. No one is immune, not doctors, lawyers, or even creative professionals. So here's the big question. Will AI replace your job? And more importantly, are you financially prepared for it? If you're not, stay with me, because in the next few minutes, we're going to explore how to turn this challenge into an opportunity and ensure you stay ahead no matter what happens. Why you should care right now. AI isn't something that will disrupt the world in 20 years. It's already here. A McKinsey report predicts that by 2030, up to 375 million jobs, 14% of the global workforce, could be displaced by automation. And it's not just factory jobs or repetitive tasks. AI tools like ChatGPT are replacing coders, paralegals, and even junior marketers. Think about it. ChatGPT can write essays, debug code, and even create business plans in seconds. But wait, you might say, my job's too complex for AI to replace. Really? So was driving until Tesla made self-driving cars smarter than humans. The hard truth is this. No industry is untouchable. The question isn't if AI will affect your career, it's when. But before you panic, let's flip the narrative, because this isn't just a threat, it's also an opportunity. How to prepare for an AI-driven world. Here's what they don't tell you. While AI may replace some jobs, it's also creating entirely new industries. For example, 20 years ago, no one was a social media manager, an app developer, or an AI trainer. Today, these roles are in high demand. If you want to stay ahead, here's your three-step game plan to prepare both financially and professionally. 1. Upskill in areas AI can't replace. AI excels at repetitive tasks, but it struggles with human qualities like creativity, emotional intelligence, and strategic thinking. Creativity. AI can analyze data, but it can't design a groundbreaking marketing campaign. Emotional intelligence. Machines can't build genuine human relationships. Strategic thinking. AI might suggest solutions, but humans are better at understanding the big picture. Additionally, learn how to use AI as a tool. Tools like ChatGPT or Midjourney can make your work more efficient. The goal is to work with AI, not against it. 2. Diversify your income streams. Relying on a single paycheck in today's world is risky. Start small. Freelancing. Offer services like consulting, graphic design, or writing on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. Investing. Explore real estate, stocks, or dividend-paying ETFs for passive income. Side hustles. Turn hobbies like baking, photography, or tutoring into profitable ventures. The idea is simple. Having multiple income streams makes you less vulnerable to job loss. Here's something to think about. If your paycheck disappeared tomorrow, could you survive for 6 months without going into debt? If not, it's time to build a financial safety net. 3. Save and invest aggressively. Your financial future depends on what you do today. Commit to saving at least 20% of your income and invest it wisely. Here's why. Small, consistent savings, when invested, grow exponentially over time thanks to compound interest. For example, saving just $50 a month and investing it at an 8% annual return could grow to over $150,000 in 30 years. This is how you build wealth even on a modest income, and we'll dive deeper into this in a moment. Your move today. The AI revolution isn't coming, it's already here. The winners in this new world won't be the ones who resist change, but those who prepare for it. Start today. Learn a new skill. Start a side hustle. Build a financial safety net. By taking action now, you're not just protecting yourself. You're opening the door to a more secure and prosperous future. And hey, worst case scenario, if AI does take over completely, maybe it'll finally figure out how to make Mondays less miserable. The next step. Now about that financial safety net. If you're serious about securing your future, you need to understand the power of compounding. It's the secret to turning small, consistent savings into massive wealth over time. Click here to watch my video on the power of compounding. It's short, simple, and could change your financial future forever. Don't wait. The future doesn't wait for anyone.